In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find bookmarks in Brave browser. Let's dive right in and get started. First, launch the Brave browser on your device. This is the starting point of our journey today. It's important to ensure that your browser is up to date. This ensures you have access to the latest features and security updates Brave has to offer. Once you have the browser open, you're all set to move forward. Next, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You will see the main menu icon, represented by three horizontal lines. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to a variety of options and settings in Brave. It's designed to give you quick access to tools that enhance your browsing experience. Once the menu is open, hover your mouse over the Bookmarks section. As you do this, you will notice a list of options related to your bookmarks. This step is crucial because hovering over the Bookmarks section allows the submenu to appear. It provides you with additional options related to managing your bookmarks. By doing this, you ensure you are accessing the right tools for managing your saved pages effectively. Now, click on the option that says Open Bookmark Manager. This is where you'll be able to view all your folders and saved pages in one place. The Bookmark Manager is a powerful feature. It allows you to organize your bookmarks, ensuring that you can quickly find what you're looking for. You can think of it as your personal library of web pages. This step is essential for keeping your browsing organized and efficient. With the Bookmark Manager open, you can now see a clear and structured view of all your bookmarks. Take a moment to explore the layout. Notice that you can organize your bookmarks into different folders. This feature is particularly useful if you have a lot of bookmarks, as it allows you to categorize them by topic or purpose. By organizing them into folders, you can save time and avoid the frustration of scrolling through a long list when you're trying to find a specific page. At this point, you might want to take advantage of the search bar within the Bookmark Manager. It's located at the top of the Manager window. This search feature is incredibly helpful if you're trying to locate a specific bookmark among many. Simply type in the name or a keyword related to the bookmark you're looking for. This small step can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if your bookmarks list is extensive. Remember, managing your bookmarks effectively can significantly enhance your browsing experience. It ensures that your favorite pages are just a few clicks away. As you use the Bookmark Manager, you may also find it helpful to delete any bookmarks that you no longer need. This keeps your list clean and relevant to your current needs. I hope you found these steps straightforward and easy to follow. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to find and manage your bookmarks in Brave browser. This skill is invaluable, as it keeps your browsing experience smooth and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!